Have you ever stood at a gas station pump, staring at the labels and wondered, what's the real difference between gasoline and diesel engines? Why do big trucks almost always run on diesel while most cars use gas? Are diesel engines really more powerful or efficient? And what's going on under the hood that makes these two engine types so different? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of internal combustion engines to uncover the key differences between gas and diesel power plants, how they work, what sets them apart, and why manufacturers choose one over the other. Whether you're a gearhead or just curious, you're about to get a clear and fascinating breakdown. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. At their core, both gas and diesel engines are internal combustion engines. That means they create power by igniting fuel inside a cylinder, which drives a piston and turns a crankshaft, ultimately powering the vehicle. But while the basic concept is the same, the way these two engines ignite the fuel is completely different. A gasoline engine uses a spark plug to ignite a mixture of air and gasoline. This spark-triggered combustion is what pushes the piston down and keeps the engine running. Diesel engines, on the other hand, do not use spark plugs at all. Instead, they rely on the principle of compression ignition. Air is drawn into the cylinder and compressed to such a high pressure that it heats up dramatically. Then diesel fuel is injected into the superheated air, causing it to ignite spontaneously. That difference in ignition method is one of the core reasons why diesel and gas engines perform and behave so differently. One of the most important distinctions between the two engine types is compression ratio. Gasoline engines typically have a compression ratio between 8:1 and 12:1. Diesel engines, however, operate at much higher compression ratios, usually between 14:1 and 25:1. This high compression not only helps ignite the fuel without a spark, but also makes diesel engines more thermally efficient. In simple terms, they extract more energy from each drop of fuel. This is one of the reasons diesel engines tend to deliver better fuel economy, especially in long-distance or heavy-load applications. That's why you see diesel engines dominating in buses, trucks, and heavy machinery. Another key difference lies in how gas and diesel engines deliver power. Gasoline engines typically produce more horsepower, meaning they can rev higher and accelerate more quickly. That's why they're favored in sports cars and high-performance vehicles. Diesel engines, in contrast, produce more torque, especially at lower RPMs. Torque is what gives you pulling power, which is crucial when towing or climbing hills. That's why diesel engines are used in pickup trucks, commercial haulers, and even locomotives. So, if you want speed and high revving performance, gas engines are your friend. But if you need muscle and endurance, diesel is the way to go. Let's talk about the fuel itself. Gasoline is lighter and more volatile, meaning it evaporates easily and ignites with less energy. Diesel, on the other hand, is denser and has a higher energy content per gallon. This contributes to diesel's superior fuel economy. However, diesel also contains more carbon and produces more particulate matter when burned. This is why diesel engines have historically been associated with more emissions, although modern diesel technology has made huge strides in cleaning up exhaust gases. In fact, many diesel engines today are equipped with particulate filters, selective catalytic reduction systems, and urea-based DEF fluid to meet strict emission standards. Due to the extreme pressures involved in diesel combustion, diesel engines are built tougher. They often have stronger blocks, thicker cylinder walls, and more robust components all around. This makes them heavier, but also more durable. A well-maintained diesel engine can often last hundreds of thousands of miles. That's one reason why they're common in commercial applications where longevity is key. Gasoline engines, while lighter and generally less expensive to manufacture, don't usually match the same level of long-term durability. But for most consumers who drive moderate distances and value low maintenance, gasoline engines make more sense. One thing you'll notice immediately when comparing gas and diesel engines is the sound. Diesel engines are typically louder, especially at idle or low speeds. This is because of the higher compression and the nature of combustion. Older diesels were especially noisy and vibrated significantly, but newer models have become much quieter thanks to advances in design and soundproofing. Gasoline engines tend to run more smoothly and quietly, which adds to their appeal in passenger cars and family vehicles. If comfort and refinement are important to you, gasoline-powered vehicles often provide a more pleasant ride. When it comes to ownership, diesel engines can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, they typically require less frequent maintenance and have longer service intervals due to their rugged build. On the other hand, when something does go wrong, repairs can be expensive, especially with newer diesel emission systems. Diesel fuel can also be more expensive in some regions. Gas engines usually have lower upfront costs and are cheaper to maintain, but they may wear out faster, especially under heavy load or high mileage. It's all about how you plan to use your vehicle. Frequent long-distance drivers might benefit from diesel, while city dwellers might prefer gas. So which engine is better? The answer depends on your needs. If you drive long distances, haul heavy loads, or want an engine built to last, diesel might be the better choice. If you prioritize smooth driving, lower initial costs, and don't want to deal with diesel emission systems, a gas engine is probably right for you. Thanks to modern engineering, both gas and diesel engines have become more efficient, more reliable, and more environmentally friendly than ever before. It really comes down to what kind of driver you are and what you demand from your vehicle. So now you know, gas and diesel engines may look similar on the outside, but inside they operate on very different principles. From how they ignite fuel, to how they deliver power, to how they're built and maintained. Each has its own strengths and trade-offs. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive technology. Got questions or your own experiences with diesel versus gas? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.